What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I promise you there's lots of amazing content coming. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. So we may or may not have secured the tires for the front runner. I'm kidding, we have. So in today's video, we're gonna get the stock fronts off of the car, get the front runners on, and that should make for a much faster 60 to 130 and a much better appearance overall. The welds that are on the car right now look like absolutely amazing. Let me go ahead and show you just as a reminder on how they look. Just look at those, absolutely gorgeous. By the way, it is freezing out here and super windy, so if there's any wind noise, I just want to go ahead and apologize about that. It's out of my hands. I'm doing the best that I can to cover up the mic and not freeze my ass off. In my opinion, that looks much better. What do you guys think? I think it looks absolutely amazing with those new wheels on there. It brings the car together. I was kind of conflicted on the chrome look, but it looks amazing with this wrap. With that being said, time to wake up the neighbors. You know, with this nice that everybody just loves so much. Dragging a jack across concrete and asphalt. It's a great sound to wake up to. It amazes me how much lighter those front runners are. With that being said, the car hasn't been started in 2 to 3 days. I don't even know if it's going to start. It has a new battery in it, but it's time for a cold start. It's not going to start this time. Maybe 3 attempts. Maybe like 7. Maybe a little more. 2 more. Okay. One more. There it is. Now it's coming. Alright guys, while we leave this car warm up, 2 things. I've never driven with Skinnys before, and I'm very excited on how it looks.
to admit, driving with frontliners is not nearly as bad as what I expected. It's not that bad at all, actually. I had no issues driving it whatsoever, making U-turns or maybe a little more difficult. And obviously, you're not going to want to go full send around a corner. But I don't do that anyhow with this cord. It makes way too much power to be pushing it around a corner in the first place. With that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. It helps the channel tremendously. It moves the video up the chain, and therefore better results means that I'm going to produce more videos for you guys. With that being said, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. There's plenty of great content coming your way. I'm not going to get a 60 to 130 today. It's super windy outside. I don't want to take any risks, and the DA is just absolutely terrible, so the results won't be that great. With that being said, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what video you want to see next. It's probably going to be a 60 to 130 and maybe some racing combined. Who knows? I don't exactly know yet. It's probably gonna be a bit before the next video does come out, because like I said, my daughter is going to be here literally any day. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Until next time, I'm checking out.